Hey everyone, so this week hopefully we're on the money with Money by Pink Floyd, and we're looking at a couple of bars from the first solo, I think it is, where we're kind of bringing in Hendrix vibes, which is rather nice. So you're mixing the Hendrix and Gilmour together. What could be better than that? So let's get on with the breakdown. So this lick, you start with the 9th fret, full tone bend, 3rd string, so that's on the E note, and you're going to stop that with your right hand as it reaches the top of the bend. Coming out of that into the 7th fret of the same string, so I call these hiccup notes because you've got hiccup, with vibrato on that 7th fret, and you want to make that kind of fluid and even as you go through, as you should with vibrato anyway. Then you bend in the 10th fret on the 2nd string with vibrato once again. So make sure you've got your vibrato in check, basically. Then there's a 7 and a 10 on the same string, which is like that. So I'm kind of raking into them. I don't know whether Gilmour does it or not, but he does like rakes just like myself. So, and you're going that down to the 7, and I'm picking up to the 10, but you could do 2 down picks or 2 up picks, is entirely your call. Then your 9th fret, same again, Hendrix vibe on the 3rd string with that 7th fret vibrato on the back end of that on the same string. Then you've got a quick slide on from the 10 of the 2nd string to the 12 of that same string. So it's like pretty much like that. Okay, so that's 10. So that's 10, slide up to the 12, to the 10 on the 1st string, back to the 12 on that 2nd string, leaving that going with a bit of vibrato. And that's the first few licks of your solo to Money. Nice and simple, keep it sweet, and I'll play it slow for you now. 3, 4, and 4. That was it. If you did like the lesson, please do consider sharing, subscribing, liking, hitting that bell button, and visiting all the socials. Come along, say hi, and give us a comment below as well. Nice, everybody. That is Dave Gilmour. What an epic guitar player. We'll leave it at that this week because this is supposed to be a quick lick lesson. There you are.